Hey guys, I wanted to do a tutorial, but my sister is asleep, so I don't know what to do. I have an idea. I'm gonna show you how to decorate a mask. So, of course, you need a mask to decorate. And then you need stickers, colored pencils, and markers. Then glitter glue. And then I'm gonna change this old white yarn with this colorful yarn. So guys, first we're gonna get the string out. Bye-bye. Now we're gonna get the good one here in. Like this. So next we're gonna get pencils and stuff and color. And it doesn't matter how large or little you color. And now we're going to do stickers. So the stickers that I have is unicorn, smiley faces, rainbows, and princesses. And I think the first sticker I really like the unicorns. Now for the glitter bird. So this is the finished product. I really just like all of it. It's colorful. I love colorful things. And my sister, I don't know what she's thinking. She hates this. I don't know why. So like and subscribe and link below. Goodbye.
Cease, what did you do to my mask?
Cease and Dasister.